Hello students. Today we are going to discuss the important question answer of the last lesson. As in previous class, we already understand the story of the last lesson. Okay, I hope you all understand about the story. Now in this class, we are going to see some of the question which oftenly asked in the board examination. You have to understand it properly. You can note some of the points while receiving the lecture. Okay, according to me, I have written three questions as you see in the screen. Okay, let us deal one by one. The first question is, what changes did the order from Berlin cause in the school? As we all know, the story revolves around the last lesson of Mr. Frank. Here, one little boy French, who was also the narrator of the lesson, he goes to school and he shocked by seeing the atmosphere, the surroundings of the school. All are just like a Sunday morning. Here, the writer has used one of the figure of his speech, that is simile. Means Sunday morning has been compared with the atmosphere of the school. Okay, so what changes did the order from Berlin cause in the school? Means everyone was very sad, just like a Sunday morning, because there is no sound occurring. Okay, beside this, the teacher of French was in occasionally dress, beautiful green coat, which he used to wear only on the day of something special like inspection or prize day. Okay, and the most extraordinary scene of the school is that the villagers are coming and sit on the backside of the school, the seat which usually empty. Okay, so this question, what changes did the order from Berlin cause in the school? Everybody is shocked by this order because Mr. Hamel taught in this school for the last 40 years. Okay, and all are very calm and all are regretting that we no more able to read our French lesson. Okay, we are not already ready to read our French lesson. Okay, if we talk about the narrator, if we talk about the narrator, he also shocked. We can say a thunder has stricken on his mind. What a type of thunder struck in his heart, as we see in the text. Understood? So this type of two or three points, because it is in short answer, these two or three points you have to write. What are the changes? It is just like a Sunday morning. Mr. Hammer in his occasional dress and villagers has come to pay his tribute for Mr. Okay, this type of change. For this, you first of all you have to write what was the order. Order that French was not going to be taught anymore in the school of Alaska and Lorraine. Understood? I hope you understand first concern. Second question is that how did France react to the declaration that it was their last French lesson? Okay, when he heard from his teacher Mr. Hamel, this was his last lesson of French, suddenly he shocked and become sad. And there is a sudden change in his feeling towards Mr. Hamel as well as towards the language of French. Now he regret कि I have not started. I know I didn't know how to write. Always I think I have to write again and see where I have come. He regret for not learning the French lesson properly. He just seems कि my books seems me so heavy sometime before, but now he make a love for his books, his French lessons. Okay, for his teacher also his attitude is got change. Okay, prior to it, he behaved, he thought about Mr. French, he was very strict, but now he was feeling for the same. He was feeling sorry for the same कि poor teacher where he has to go. Understood? This type of thinking got a room in the mind of the narrator, that is French. Understood? Why were the elders of the village sitting in the classroom? Elders of the village like postmaster, Mr. Hauser, understood, they just come to pay a tribute for his faithful service of 40 years, because it was the last lesson, it was the last lesson, so they just come to thank come to thank Mr. Hammer for his faithful service. All are giving the impact of patriotism here. Okay, in this way they just thank Mr. Hammer. ठीक है, इस वे से वो क्या कर रहे थे, मिस्टर हैमर को थैंक कर रहे थे कि यू हैव अ फेथफुल सर्विस. नाउ दे आर ऑल सैड, they are all sad कि we are not able to learn our mother tongue, that is French, anymore in this school. Okay, this was the reason why elders has come to sit in the classroom. And this is the most shocking thing, which most shocking or most unusual thing which the narrator has noticed. Understood? I think you got. Okay, in every phrase I told you, I have already told you, there is some points which we have to keep in our mind, okay, that is called critical analysis. You just try to write some points on that. Oftenly the question comes from the title, theme and characters. If we talk about the title, it is justificable or not? Of course it is complete justificable, because this is the last lesson, and whatever the things we see in the chapter, that revolves around the last French lesson. But in the value added question, you have to just try to take the points from the every part of the chapter. That is the skill of writing. In the title we understand what type of change occurs in the scenario of the village, and the people thinks about it the last lesson. The narrator understood his fault, okay, his fault of not learning lesson properly, Mr. Hammer also criticize, we can say, he just blame to himself also and to the parents also, because they are not giving more priority to learning their language. Understood? In this way you just write title by giving the points from the chapter. Points in the previous class I have already discussed. Okay, theme, what is theme? You have to understand, theme is the subject matter of the any chapter. Here the theme is very very important. Understood? We understand the patriotism theme, the love for the mother tongue, and what is mother tongue? That is French के लिए जो उसका प्रेम था, and they are regretting for not learning the French anymore. Okay, and one more theme is here, we are always we are always say कि we have tomorrow, we have enough of time, tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. Very famous word, very famous quotation of one of the writer novelist Samuel Beckett. You can quote this line. ओके, tomorrow बट tomorrow नेवर कम्स. वो लोग सोचते थे कि tomorrow कल कर लेंगे, लेकिन देखो मिस्टर हैमर भी कहता है कि सी वेयर वी हैव कम. Understood? So they are regretting. These are the points which have to you have to write. Okay. Now we are thinking about the characters. The characters are very few. Okay. Characters, although there are some characters in the shape of villages, but we are not having enough knowledge means understood of them. Here only the character of Mr. Hammer is important in my view. Okay, because all the story revolves around the character of Mr. Hammer. If you are sketching the character of Mr. Hammer, first of all you have to introduce himself by saying that he was a French teacher and who taught French for the last 40 years. His nature is so friendly that towards the villagers. That's why villagers come. That's why villagers come to thank him on his last day. Although he was strict towards his student, but that is the part of his job. That is the part of his job. And after that you just write the one of the best quality of Mr. Hammer, that is he was patriotic. He has a lot of love towards his nation as well as towards his mother tongue. He just give the message to the villagers or his student that it is better you have to focus on your mother tongue. If you have the knowledge of your mother tongue, then your ability is going to be improved. Whatever your quality, that improved only by your mother tongue. As in the case we have got the love towards his mother tongue. Okay, and he was also emotional. Although he was strict, but last day he became emotional and he just prayed for his country. Okay, because country is in the hand of Persia. Okay, now he was feeling sorry and just tell one lesson, that is the last lesson, that you have to focus on your mother tongue. Understood? Beside this, he just regret also not to teach for his own selfness. He just understood his fault also. This was also the one of the best quality of any person who understand or admitted his own fault. Here also he admitted that he himself sometimes give a holiday instead of teaching. Understood? So these are the points which you can write in your characters sketch of Mr. Hammer. So whenever the question comes, you have to try to understand what type of question is are asking. Okay, in the long answer question you have to try to catch those points from the chapter which is of most important, which is very much important. Okay, and in short answer question you just try to understand what is asking in the chapter and be to the point, be very precise. In this way you have to. I hope some of the points of the last lesson is going to be clear. If you have any problem regarding this lecture, you can free to ask from various link. I hope you understand the question and answer. Okay, if you have any problem, you are free to ask. Okay, thank you.